Hey y'all, welcome back to the Ziddle Farms YouTube channel. Today we're at a garage here that someone hired us out to put in a mud room between their door to the house to their garage. It's just something simple, 2 walls, and we're going to put 2 doors in, the doors in each wall. I'll go through the steps of putting the walls up, drywall, a little electrical. I'm gonna put 2 lights in, same switch as the other lights in the garage. Should be pretty simple. Hope you guys learned something or two here. Hope you enjoy it. All right, now that we have the placement of where we're gonna put the wall, one of the walls on the exterior here, we gotta get the measurements for the vertical 2x4s. And with the Bosch laser level, makes easy work. You got the 2x4s on either side, and we're showing 8 foot 3 inch 23rd 30 seconds. We'll make it a little smaller than that so we can put it up in the, lean it up nicely, and don't need to sledgehammer or anything. All right, now that we have the pressure treated 2x4 cut for the door, 32 inch door down there, is the door. I add 1.5 inches for your shims. They do recommend 2 inches, but I do 1.5 inches, save us a little bit on shims. So here we're gonna mark out where all our vertical 2x4s are gonna go. So you wanna make sure they're flush here at the beginning. On your tape measure, every 16 inches is marked in red. That's the center of this point, but I always come back, since a 2x4 is actually 1.5 inches wide, I come back 3/4 of an inch from the 16. The reason for this is whenever you get down to 8 foot and you put a whole sheet out, you have the 8 foot sheet is actually hitting the middle of the 16 point. So we'll go down and mark all these. Always put an X on the side of the line that you want to put the 2x4 at. So now that we have these set up, we'll cut the verticals and we'll get to nailing. The DeWalt 20-volt max framing nailer makes it easy. Whenever we're going to go through the pressure treated 2x4s here on the concrete, we want to make sure we want to switch out to the galvanized nails. So for inside the mudroom here, we're going to be using 2 of these LED canless lights. I got them from Lowe's. Pretty simple. As you can see, just cut the hole and then they clamp up. Here's the light itself. And it comes with a template. So we gotta trace the template and then cut it out with the drywall saw. Wire goes over to the other light over there. We'll connect that with this one that goes down to the switch. And we'll have a 3-way switch as well. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been a while since I've done an update on this mudroom that we were doing. As you can see, the mud was done. I didn't take a video of that, forgot about it. Also did the painting the other day. Now we're installing doors to put in here. Got one done here. Started the second one. We'll go through the steps on how to finish that up. All right, we got this door on the hinge side put in. You want to make sure it's level first. That's your main one. You take the door off to install that on the stud there, and then put the door on, so then we can match it up on this side. So once the door is shut, this has not been stapled yet. You want to make sure it's consistent all the way down. And we're going to tack the trim board on and then put the shims in. So we
DeWalt 20-volt brushless 18-gauge brand nailer.
makes quick work of doing that. It's a lot easier than lugging around a compressor and my finishing nailer. Smaller holes, gets your job done right. Well, here's the finished project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Also, please subscribe. And here's a little teaser of one of the next videos that we'll be posting, another how-to, how to build something.
Welcome to Zittle Farms. We are building a chicken coop.